भ्रान्तिविवेचनम्। एतद् ज्ञात्वा मयैतस्मात्.
Etad jnatva means on realizing this. Mayai tasmat, that means I created from this. Now here the word I may represent the person who wrote all this, and this word I is more likely to represent the awakened part of consciousness within a person who is reading this or reciting this.
तमो नाशः प्रयोजितः.
Tamo nasha. Tama means darkness. Nasha means destruction. So tamo nasha is destruction of the darkness and confusion arising out of it. Prayojitaha means planned. So in short, what we see is here we are being told that the inner part of a person which is partially awake, the awakened segment of the self, that is planning to destroy the complete darkness that our entire self has created around it. Just after realizing that this darkness that we are seeing is not something which has come from outside, because there is nothing outside us. It is purely self-created. And on realizing that this darkness is self-created, tamo nasha prayojitaha, the inner self is saying, I have planned the destruction of this darkness and the confusion arising out of it. So, all this very clearly indicates that the beginning of the destruction of darkness from within cannot happen with the help of somebody from outside. It is to be initiated by the awakened part of the self itself. That is, Maya etasmat, I started from this. That awareness has to come within, and that burning desire has to come. And many times that comes just like that, and at some other times it comes when the person's capacity to take the darkness, to get deeper and deeper into the vortex of confusion gets exhausted. When a person is totally exhausted, he cannot see anything, he cannot do anything, then he cannot move, and then he has no choice but to sit back and start reflecting on what is happening within his mind. And this is a time when he starts realizing or wanting to destroy this darkness from within. Just think over.